What is up, guys? We're back at it again with Booga Booga. So today we're gonna playing again, even though it's still the same day. Um, I think this game saves your stuff. It'd be a pain in the ass if it didn't save your stuff. I would be extremely mad if it doesn't save your stuff. Okay, where the heck am I? All right, so. Hulk smash. No, I got kicked out of the world. Okay, let's just play. It does save your stuff. Die. Oh, there's nothing on here. Oh shoot, I just got demonetized even though I can't monetize yet. Okay, well, we got our stuff. We're bad guys. We're gonna go kill some people. And the game's being laggy. Okay, there we go. No, stop. Come here now. Okay. Looks like it's snowing. There's a red tribe. I want to join the red tribe. I want to see if I can I kill their free stuff? No way. That's what I call epic. Let's hope. I will loot this man's treasure. No. 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 It's not real? It was a hallucination? That sucks. Alright, well, I'll take this food. Gun your cat. Okay. Is there a reward for doing this? I want to destroy this totem. I want to see what happens. I hope I get like a reward or something, because this is a lot of hits. I'm not gonna lie. Just be me beatboxing. Halfway there, yeah, let's go. Halfway there, yeah, let's go. Hope nobody kills me, that would suck. Because I'm trying to kill this totem. See what happens if I deal with this pit. Oh, pickaxe is not effective? Pickaxes are not effective. That's good to know. Almost there, just killing these people's totems. I don't know why they would place it. Placing it makes no sense. Killing this innocent man's totem. Do 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 do. Beatboxing skills. Oh shit. I mean, apologize for my language. I tried this band-aid. It's not good. I'm almost done killing this. Try totem. Off the beat soon. Okay, so I've been. Oh, so doing this destroys it way faster. That's it? No reward? That's what I call a scam. That's crappy. Well, the more you learn. Alright, tell me to kill this. Ahí están atrás. That's where I saw them. She doesn't know like chickens. Can I ride this thing? The last time I saw them was they were in the back. Well, before I came inside, they were just chilling in the back. Okay, no, it's gonna take way too long for me to kill. How do I ride this thing? I want this to be mine. I have to be like a certain level for that to happen. Oh, if you guys can tell me how to level up, please tell me. I think like you have to like kill people every time you kill someone. You level up. I don't know. What the heck is this? Let's actually eat one of these. That is no damage. Alrighty. I wish you could see like a map. You can't. Wait, do I have my backpack? Oh yes, nice. Okay, I still have my backpack. That's actually good. Spam the space bar. Spam the space bar. Alright. Ooh. Okay. So, I don't care if it's cold up here. I could care less. Okay, I should found a tribe. T for tribe. I found a green tribe. Yeah, make. Oh fuck, you can't. I'll do violet tribe. Yes, ma'am. See you guys in a bit.